top pressure dancehall music. Dancehall music need to breathe freely. Still on the keep on fighting it. Who not spite? Who not spite the people of Jamaica, or who not spite the artists them? Yo, we need to change leg of Jamaica, make Jamaica be a better place. Yeah man, make Yaad nice again. People all over the
Yo, my boss, where you go? We're lucky now, you know.
My three more guys, you don't style the thing. Daddy, when I get too hype, you know, Daddy. When now look the side, you count the money. All of them. Scheme boss.
One TV and a Kimpa'stv.
Yo, big up Kimpa'stv. Jaja, Kimpa'stv.
Yeah man, the thing tough man, Scheme Boss party. Yeah man, Rip Jeans. Yeah man, over Savannah Plaza. Yeah, all you can say the thing the tough, the thing the crazy, the thing the mad. Scheme Boss, yeah man, you did it, you see me? Yeah man, Kimpa, we outside, you see me? And we are represent the Scheme Boss thing. Yeah man, Kimpa'stv, you know, find the loudest and the baddest at a party. Them crazy crap. Yeah man, up top, Scheme Boss.
Yo, my boss, where you go? We're lucky now, you know. Yeah, man. Fire again, man. Believe, man. Anything come down. Fire again, man. Believe, man. Believe.
I'm full of money. I'm here to go. Give me your vibes. No. talent. Local talent.
Kimpa'stv. One TV and a Kimpa'stv.
Yeah, my peeps, me can tell you say this Easter season, yeah man, ending of March, going into April, some of the baddest, toughest parties of this Easter season. Yeah man, check them out. From Kimpa recommend them good to go.
500 US dollar for the bonanza prize.
As you
Over
can see,
1,000 US dollar you go win in cash and prize. 5,000 for the bonanza ticket. Don't make it pass you. 500 US. Kimberly store to keep. Friday the 12th of April. Don't make it be say no, we have the after.
Activate. Go I can make the things like a jet ski. Go in the right things too like to test me. So here what to do. Spot over me, let me walk up on you. I'll give a thing and sticky like glue. So everything's set in the jump.
And one more time.
Active.
Yeah.
Yeah man, how to make Jamaica good again? I feel like say, wanna pressure poor people like literally too much. I wanna pressure the thing where put Jamaica on the map too hard. That is dancehall music, dancehall and reggae music. Imagine the people all over the world love and appreciate reggae music. Reggae music as a festival are one of the biggest things. And every single time we try to keep something, we're bringing tourism like Popcorn Show and Leela Icon and Prodigy Show the other day. We keep shutting it off. So here what me I say, we try with this a government here for how much? Years, 2 term. I don't know. I'm not saying that the PMP government is gonna do a better job. But one thing for sure, we need to listen to the cry of the people. Yeah man, listen to the cry of the people because right there sir, when you can hear the voice of the people man. I want a problem having in Jamaica for solving. Yeah man, but yet still you ever appear focus on dancehall music and dancehall party. When you ever come shut them off. When you fight against dancehall party like it's a big problem in a Jamaica. We own a culture, we own a tradition, we want to fight it, and we fight it, and we fight it. We want to fight against Iglas, we want to fight against taxi man. Yo, we need a change and we need betterment. So how to make Jamaica good again? It don't really matter which party win the general election or the next general election. Me I tell you straight, we need to pay more attention to these things. Listen to the people them crying, man. Eh, Mr. Prime Minister, ministers, listen to the people them cry. You get me? Yes man. Make Jamaica good again. Make Yaad good again. Yeah man. Make we enjoy Yaad. Make we enjoy our culture. Yeah man. Stop try pin we down like you know when you swear say we don't want to lock we up in this cage. All of a sudden Jamaicans done prisoners in our own country. Yeah man. Every single time we have fun. Every single time we have some sort of festival. We keep on come and shut off the festival before time. You know? Yeah man, me I talk to you know. You see me? Miss Olivia Babsy Grange. Yes man, me I talk to you. You see me? Prime Minister Andrew Holness, me I talk to you. Mark Golan, if you ever win and go in a power, me I talk to you. Stop pressure dancehall music. Dancehall music need to breathe freely. Yeah man, people all over the world accept and love dancehall music, and in our own country, in our own island, Jamaica, you get the biggest fight. Some of our artists them popular, famous all over the world. The likes of Popcorn, the likes of Massacre. You get what me I say? The likes of Cartel, the likes of Alkaline, the likes of Skeng, the likes of Skillibeng, the likes of Squash. Yeah man, I do now. The list goes on and on. And every time people try to see these artists in our homeland, in a Jamaica, when they ever make a fool of yourself by try shutting off these concerts way too early at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Why these concerts can't go back till the morning? Yeah, these concerts are bringing in tourism in the island. You get what I say? So therefore, it add to everything we're supposed to use to build Jamaica. But yet still only keep on fighting it. Who not spite? Who not spite the people of Jamaica, or who not spite the artists them? Yo, we don't need to change Lego Jamaica, make Jamaica be a better place. Yeah man, make Yaad nice again. People all over the world are fly to come to Jamaica to enjoy Jamaica, and we will live here. Imagine people are fly all over the world to come take in Jamaica sun, to come take in Jamaica nice scenery, to come take in Jamaica's everything that we have for offer. But yet still, when we say Jamaicans in our own island, we treat we like prisoners. We don't get the same opportunities, we don't get the same treatment, we don't get the same comfort in our own backyard. Lego Jamaica make Jamaica nice again. Oh no do. Yaad man say Jamaica to the world. That is it. Tell me again what you say. What you say?
We not finished up the excitement.
Yeah.
Set up all on a stage.